Hey class, today we're going to demonstrate how to remove, install a wheel, and torque lug nuts. We've talked about the importance in previous class, and so today I'm going to demonstrate for you that procedure. We're working at Infiniti i30, and I've already looked up the torque specs. We're going to set it to 80 foot-pounds. There is a range from manufacturer, 72 to 87. We're going to put our torque spec right in the middle, which is 80 foot-pounds. I use AllData Pro, guys. Feel free to do the same thing, or ProDemand. Either one we have here at the shop. The tools we're going to use is a flat blade screwdriver, a torque wrench, a torque stick, an impact socket, which is black, wire brush, and you're going to need an impact gun. Next, we're going to use a flat blade screwdriver and insert it into this little slot to remove the lug nut cover. We'll apply a little pressure, it'll pop right off. Now we need to remove the lug nuts. We're going to use our impact gun, impact socket, make sure it's in reverse, lefty-loosey, and we'll remove all lug nuts. Next, remove the tire. Be sure to use your legs when lowering the tire to the ground. Then lay the tire flat. Now inspect the lug nut studs for any dirt, debris, or nicks, and clean as necessary. Here we are cleaning the lug nut studs with a wire brush so that we can maintain proper torque on the wheel. Next, install the wheel onto the lug studs. Be sure that the wheel does not fall off on you. I prefer to use a socket to start the lug nuts for all 5. Be sure that the taper of the lug nut is facing the wheel. Next, install the torque stick on the impact gun. Be sure that you click it over to righty-tighty. Start to snug up 2 of the lug nuts, and then go back and tighten them all in a star pattern. You can see we've set the vehicle back down on the ground, so the tire's just touching. We're setting the torque wrench to 80 foot-pounds, locking that into position, and then we're going to apply pressure downward on the torque wrench till we hear a click. Once we hear the click, we stop. You'll notice that we are torquing in the star pattern for all 5 lug nuts. Final step, class. I'm showing you the 2 points on the lug nut cover and wheel. You need to line up, apply light pressure, and you're all done.